Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk, and today I'm in lovely luxurious surroundings in the countryside. Very nice. And I've acquired a ring light. Thank you, Lewis, for this very kind donation. It's an unwanted ring light which has no stand. And do we need a stand? No, we don't. Ring lights are designed, I think, to go around the lens like that, and light you face from all angles. There's plenty about ring lights there, and lots of advice saying use your ring light up here and use it as a kind of effectively like a soft box to light your face. But once you're doing that, you need multiple light sources ideally, and I think ring light around the lens is a great plan. And if you're going to have angle lights from other angles, maybe don't use a ring light, use normal lights with diffusers and stuff. But how do you attach it to your lens without a stand? Do you need to lug a stand around with you? No, you don't. I'm going to show you a great idea of how to make your own stand with just a little bit of thrown away rubbish, a zero waste stand. So here we go. You've probably worked this out yourself already. And tie that one round that side. And stretch it across to the other side with your other cable tie. Whoa. Try not to break your ring light in the process. That's one, and the same the other direction. Pain. It's much easier when I tried it before. There we go. So those should cross in about the middle. That's not done up properly. And yeah, these cable ties will block out a tiny bit of the light that's coming, but really not very much. I don't think you'll really notice the difference. Okay, here is the ring light with my elastic bands on. So it'll make a wonderful space harp if you lit it up and played it. And here's my camera, so I just need to attach it to that. And this should work. I'm stretching those out. Looks a bit like one of those dream catchers, doesn't it? There we go. So that is on the camera and holding quite nicely. I think that's a rather good idea.